Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a nice tutorial about grid logo system. In this video, I will show you how to create grid and design logo on this grid. Also I will show you how to add shadow professionally to your logo in this video. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take line segment tool, and draw a line. Give it stroke color. Now select the line, and copy it by hold Alt, and make total 10 lines by hold Ctrl, and pressing D. Now select lines, and make it vertical align center, and group it. Select the lines, and copy it. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy, again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Now rotate it 90 degrees like that. I need 4 lines with the same gap. So select the lines, and ungroup it. Now select 4 lines, and group it. And copy it. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy, again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Now rotate the 4 lines like that. Reverse the rotate lines. For reverse, click on right button of mouse, and select Transform, and select Reflect, and copy it. Now select this lines by hold Shift, and make these group. Okay, that's good. Now select that lines which we ungroup before, now group it. Now select everything, and make these middle align center. Okay, that's good. This is how you can easily make grid for your design as your need. Now take ellipse tool, and draw circle equal to the square inside the grid like that. Now make it small to next lines like that. But before you need to copy the circle. You can easily copy anything by press Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+F. Okay, I have drawn all circle for our design. Now select everything. And reduce the stroke color, because it looks good and clear to understand. You don't must need to reduce it, you can work with the original one. I just did it for looking better, and easily understand. Again take ellipse tool, and draw a circle within 4 lines. Copy the circle, and make it smaller like that. Now do the same work for bottom part of the square like before. Okay, I have done this. Now select everything. And take Shape Builder tool. Must turn on fill color when working with Shape Builder tool. Now I'm drawing my design on the grid. This is very easy to design logo on grid. But you need to organize the grid perfectly. Drawing carefully, otherwise you can make mistake, and for that your design will not be accurate. I increase the video speed. because you guys can easily do that. Okay, I have drawn my logo. Now select the design part by hold Shift and move it above from the lines, and keep it little bit distance. Now select the lines, and delete it. Also select the design and turn off the stroke color. Now I'm making the logo colorful, and add shadow. If you watch this part, you will learn new technique to add shadow. So keep watching. Now take rectangular tool and draw equal to the artboard. Send it back and change the color like that. Now lock the background. For that, go Object, and select Lock, and click on Selection. Okay, that's good. Now select the logo, and change its color to gradient color by eyedropper. Now perfectly use the gradient color like that. Now I will add shadow on this part. So select this part and go gradient. From gradient type, select the black and white. Select the white point, and make opacity 0 like that. Oh my god, I have made a mistake. Before adding shadow, I should copy the original one. So I go back by press Ctrl Z. Now select this part again, and copy it. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy, again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Now select black and white color. And select white color, and make it opacity 0. Now you can customize your shadow by moving this point like that. I reduce opacity of the shadow part, because it will look real shadow. Do the same thing for that part. First copy this part. Then take eyedropper tool, and copy the shadow from the smaller part like that. I think shadow opacity should reduce more. I fixed it 20%, it looked good. Now again select the shadow part, and copy it like that way. And move the gradient slider to close the black color. And increase the opacity. As we can see, it looked more good than before. Do the same for the bigger part. Okay, that's perfect. So friends, this is today's video. In this tutorial, you learn how to create a grid in Illustrator, and how to add shadow like professional way. I think this tutorial helped you. If you think this video is good for you, kindly subscribe my channel, and comment your valuable opinion about the video. Thank you.